Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, in the last video we have discussed about the different type of soils and what is the condition for the crops, means what is the factor like what is the atmosphere, what is the importance of air, what is the importance of water, okay, for plants. So student, now I am going to teach some topic about plants. So students, see, first if you want to grow any crops, then what we need? So we need some vegetables. So students, first you take the fertilizers and manure. So students, do you know what is the fertilizer? Fertilizer is the chemical things made by factory, made by the nutrient, and manure means organic things made by the waste material of the living thing, like their waste material, like dry leaf, peels of vegetables and fruits, and waste material of the animals like buffalo and cow. So student, you know, because all the plant need nutrient. How the plant grow? Plant grow from the soil, and plant grow from the soil, then soil need a nutrient. Then how we provide such nutrient? We provide such nutrient due to the fertilizer. We spread the fertilizer in the soil. Okay, we spread the manure in the soil. The result, such soil absorbs such nutrient, and such nutrient are transferred from soil to the plants. Because then, if you grow any crop and plant absorb the nutrient from the soil, so if you not add the fertilizer, then what is the result? The result, our plant will not grow, because the percentage of nutrient become decrease. Okay. So student, you know, some are the fertilizer like urea, DAP, okay, and some are the manure. Next one, student, plant disease and pest. When you grow the crops, there is some disease, like human beings contain some disease. Similarly, the plant also is the some disease. So when such disease and pest develop in the agriculture field, then it disturbs the growth of plant, and sometimes the plant become die. Okay, so common plant disease caused by microorganisms are blights, leaf, spot, beetles, wilts and smuts. These are the some disease. Okay, such disease can be cured by regular treatment of seed with the appropriate chemical, fungicide, antibiotic and crop rotation. Means if any insect, then you spray the insecticide or you do the crop rotation. Okay, and sometimes you spray the fungicide, because such fungicide kill the fungus, such insecticide kill the insect. Otherwise, you know, many insect pests like termites, stem borer and the locutus transfer disease and destroy plant. They cut the roots, they cut the stem, they enter in the fruits. Have you seen that sometime when you purchase some fruit from market or vegetable from the market, inside it becomes spoiled? You know why? Because such thing contain the germs, and such germs enter into the fruits. Okay, student. So other things like fumigation, spraying and dusting are the some way through which we can destroy these harmful insects and pests. Okay, student. So next one, how to grow plants. How to grow plants. So student, first you need some things, some instrument like spade, digging fork, hoe, rake, sickle, fertilizer and insecticide, water, food, seed or spreading. These are something, okay, if you want to grow a plants. So first step, what we do? First step is the preparation of the soil. Preparation means, suppose that first you select area where you want to grow the plants. So after that, you clear all the stone and weeds from the plot. After that, dig the plot with the digging fork. Or if the large area, then you plow the field with the tractor. After that, after plowing, okay, you add the manure, compost manure, and after that, add water. Okay, the result, such manure absorbed by the soil, and soil contain the moisture. You know, student, why we make the soil? Why we digging the soil? Because when we dig the soil, then seed easily grow. Their root easily enter inside the soil. Otherwise, root not enter the soil and the seed become dry. Okay, So is the your with the very important. First, before the growing the plants, before growing the grass, first you dig the soil by tractor or by hoe, what you want. Next one is the sowing and transplanting. After that is the two-way. If you want to grow a plant, is the two-way. First you directly sow the seed in the agriculture field, like like mustard, wheat. You directly sow. And second one is the transplanting, like rice. First we make a nursery of the rice. Okay, when the plant becomes this much size, about the 6 centimeter, then we remove such. We take such rice, and after that again we plant. This is the transplantation. Okay, so this is the two-way. You sow and transplant in the trees. Okay, student. After that, after the sowing the seed, if the seed are very close to each other, please remove it. So your duty first is the very important knowledge for the seed, means about how much area, how much seed we need. If the seed is more, then plant become not grow well. Okay, and we not get a single crop. So student, after that, make sure that plant is firm and moist, because the loosely plant it dies soon. And if you transplant any plant in the soil, then your duty, you tightly dig inside the soil. Okay, and when you spread the seed, then the seed become not more than 1 centimeter. It not means you dig, you make a 1 feet hole, and after that put a 1 seed of wheat. No, it will not. Okay, so these are the some point of the sowing and transplanting plants. Okay, student. Next one, after the sowing the seed, next one is the watering the plant or irrigation. Watering the plant or irrigation. So student, water. Without water, it is not possible to grow crops. So student, make sure that you water your plant regularly. Regularly means depend on the climate. Means suppose if you give the water today, then no means you per day give the water. Otherwise the plant becomes spoiled. Okay. And different plant need different amount of water. Suppose that rice plant they need more water, but wheat plant they need only 1 or 2 water. If you directly continuously pass the water, then our plant become spoiled. Okay, student. After that, hoeing and weeding. What is this? Means when plant grow, then remove the things. Okay, because some unwanted herbs also develop around the crops. So remove such things and make some hoeing, means make some loose soil around the crops. The result, the root is grow deep inside the soil. After this, then keeping your plant healthy. Last point is keeping your plant healthy. So how you keep your plant healthy? If you want a healthy, because healthy crops give the healthy fruit, large amount of fruit. So your duty means you time by time you remove the weeds from the plants. If you see any insect or fungus develop, then you spray the insecticide or fungicide. Okay, if the plant need water, then you provide the water. Okay, so if you do like this, then your plant become healthy. And if plant become healthy, then you get a good crops, get good fruit, good vegetable. Okay, student. So the next topic we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.